getting closer. Finally got all the fittings laid out. Put a remote mount water pump in the car. Everything's going to fit real tight, but mostly right in this corner where the tie-down hook is. We've already installed the new transmission. Got the Bruno Lenco out of the Corvette I used to own. Got my turn and signal switch mounted. Got all my accessories over here. So the next thing to do is, after I put the carbon fiber panel in the X in the passenger side door, is to start mounting the Holley fuel injection box.